Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to adjust Deadzone and stick drift on your controller for Steam on PC. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen and click on Steam. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings to access your Steam configuration options. Before proceeding further, make sure your controller is already connected to your PC. This is essential because Steam needs to detect your controller in order to show you the calibration options. Once your controller is connected and recognized, you can move forward with the adjustment process. In the settings window, look at the left sidebar and click on Controller. This section houses all the settings related to your input devices and gives you full control over how Steam handles your controller. Here, you'll be able to fine-tune the behavior of your joysticks and buttons to eliminate any unwanted movement or drift. Next, click the Details button beside your input controller. This will open a more detailed view of your controller's current configuration and allow you to access advanced calibration features that aren't available in the General Settings menu. Now, look for Calibration and Advanced Settings at the bottom. Click the Open button right beside it to enter the calibration interface. This is where you'll be able to directly address stick drift by adjusting the deadzone, which is the area within which the joystick's movement is ignored by the system. At the top of the calibration window, select whether you want to adjust the left joystick or the right joystick. Choose the one that's experiencing drift, or calibrate both if needed. This ensures you're making changes to the correct input. Once you've selected the joystick, you'll see a slider for the deadzone setting. Move the slider slightly to the right to increase the deadzone. This tells Steam to ignore small movements from the joystick, which is usually what causes drift. After adjusting the slider, test whether the stick stops moving on its own. You can do this by simply letting go of the stick and observing if any unwanted movement occurs on your screen. If the stick still drifts, move the slider a little farther to the right and test again. Keep making small adjustments until the drift is completely gone. It's important to stop as soon as the drift disappears. Avoid setting the deadzone higher than necessary, as a larger deadzone reduces responsiveness and can make your controls feel less precise during gameplay. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted the deadzone on your Steam controller and eliminated stick drift. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.